Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing the physical and software prerequisites. Confirm both monitors are connected to high-bandwidth ports and that the GPU supports the chosen resolutions. Update graphics drivers now. This removes many hidden bottlenecks. Once done, set one monitor as primary and match refresh rates where possible, because mismatched rates force the GPU to resynchronize constantly. Make sure power settings are on high performance and disconnect adapters that add latency. These first steps eliminate the most common causes of stutter. Next, dive into driver and OS options to reduce frame queuing and input lag. Open your GPU control panel and set multi-display performance to favor performance, not quality, and disable unnecessary post-processing. Enable hardware acceleration in browsers and productivity apps so the GPU handles rendering. If you're not seeing tearing, turn off VSync. Otherwise, use Adaptive Sync. Tweak Windows display scaling and graphics performance preference per app. These measures cut compositor overhead and keep frame delivery consistent across both screens. Finish by validating changes. Run a frame rate overlay and a simple GPU benchmark while using both monitors to confirm stable output. If you still see lag, swap cables and ports to isolate whether the issue follows a port or cable. This quickly identifies hardware faults. As a last resort, perform a clean driver uninstall, reinstall the latest driver, and reset display settings to defaults before reapplying optimized options. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip: test the suspect monitor on another system to rule out panel or scalar failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.